intro dance. Hey guys, it's Mohugger, and today I'm playing emote dances or whatever. Not the old one y'all hated. Let me see it. Like boy or something. That was when I was like first grade. That too. It was all I knew.
He's going in 3rd grade, okay? And he's becoming more mature, which is making me feel weird because he's never been mature.
Okay.
So I'm
Shut
freaking
up.
out.
Shut up.
What? You know how much?
Look, guys.
Admit, you know.
So this has 0 likes or 0 nothing. This doesn't either. Like, I need to do some dumb stuff. Some more dumb stuff.
He needs to do some stuff.
Nah, do just some dumb stuff.
Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. Jefferson! My name is Ginger. My name is Ginger.
So I'm just saying. Shut up. Read in your head, Jefferson. But guys,
I think Jefferson lost his voice.
Okay, guys. But guys, so I'm just saying, y'all can comment down below and see what I want to do. What? I just said what because it like. Oh, okay, we doing some SpongeBob up here. Is the default dance not in this, dude? Fortnite is not anything without the default dance, dude.
Well, they are getting rid of the default dance. This season might be the last season of the default dance. I used to be able to do the default dance. I swear. I used to watch Scrubs. I did it once. I did that. It was so funny, though.
Apparently I'm not playing that because it's an admin game.
Admin. I'm joking. No, do not sue me. Do not ban me. Please. And I still got Jefferson's account. No, it's my account. No, it's mine. It's my Xbox. No, it's not.
Hey, how about it's my Xbox?
How about no? How about all of our Xbox?
No.
Deal with that.
No, never. That's impossible.
What? But Daddy! What? No!
Oh my god, what's Block Surfers? A ripoff of Subway Surfers?
Wait, what?
Yep, it is.
Let me see this.
There's
a Block Surfer. I forgot it. I forgot my friend made that. I told him to make that. Oh my god! He made it! Wait, hold on. Let me see his username.
Okay. Apparently, guys, you'll need to report.
Yeah, I was friends with that guy.
Report this guy, dude.
I'm friends with this guy, though. Or at least we were friends until he unfriended me. He said I didn't have a dominance,
this guy copied Subway Surfers and made it Block Surfers, so.
Roblox does not care. This is a place for our own imaginations, not other imaginations we find online. I mean, of course I'm making New War Battle Royale, but it's not going to be the same as Battle Royale.
We don't want to hear you talking.
Please play it. I need it.
Don't ever play his games, guys.
Oh yeah, I have one good game.
I only have one good game. Tell me what it's called.
FNAF Roleplay. It's FNAF Roleplay, okay?
Oh my god. This game literally sucks.
Oh my gosh, the animation sucks.
I know. It didn't even let me play.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, it didn't. Like, the control's so weird, dude. Oh my god.
It's a beta. It's okay.
Hey.
I know. I gave him the idea of this. I told him,
Dude, I just heard you say,
I know.
what idiot made this?
I know. I was his friend like a long time ago. I don't know why he made it now. I used to love that game, but like it got a lot of. Those are my followers. I gave them the idea. You should give me credit. Like, go look at my FNAF roleplay game, maybe.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Let's see how much followers you got. I got 5 followers. Well, at least I got more subscribers than you.
Please subscribe, I'm desperate. Apparently a boy has to look like a girl, apparently. You need to get
I'm sorry, I forgot to get out of that.
You look like a lame-o, dude.
Sorry. I normally look. I'm using the Arthur. I only used it to kill it, though. I was in the Breaking Bones, and I was like enjoying watching it die.
Oh my gosh, this.
Who's that? Zaya.
Zai.
Who's that?
It's the a famous YouTuber. She has like 15K subscribers.
I need to secretly go in and say, subscribe to King Cutler, and then wow. Okay. Yeah. Wait, how am I gonna do that? My computer's gonna take it 5 days.
No. Piano.
I'm playing in my computer and on his phone. I'm using it to watch stream. Oh, a live stream. Oh my god.
Yeah, guys.
Sniper.
He's not. Stream snipers are in like. You can only stream snipe in Fortnite. Like, dude, this is my brother's only good game.
Hey, go up.
Like, I'll literally join y'all and see how bad it is. Like, literally.
It's FNAF roleplay hashtag. Okay.
No, it's FNAF roleplay too.
And I'm at the last island of the Candy Island. This was easy.
Guys, look at these. Like, some of them literally only put. Some of them only put the head. It lags so much, guys.
Yeah.
It lags so much that they won't even load. Look, see, it only shows the head too.
I mean, no, you're supposed. I was trying to fix that, but I'll tell you how to fix it. So you just need to get some.
No.
I want to fix it right.
So, I just need to tell y'all something.
Mine's got more likes than you.
Please sub to this channel, please. Bye.